Hi, my name is Josh Beeman. I'm the Water Distribution Systems Manager at North Park Water. My job entails maintenance of the water system through Roscoe and McChesney Park. We do everything from hydrant maintenance to replacing fire hydrants, valve maintenance, replacing valves, dead end flushers for all our dead ends, and we've been doing a lot of those for our water quality. And in a typical day, I will assess water service breaks that come in, water main breaks, call Julie's in, schedule the dig crew. A typical day maintaining the district's nearly $30 million distribution infrastructure ranges from installing new hydrants and valves, flushing hydrants, exercising valves, identifying and repairing underground leaks, installing new automatic flushing devices, locating underground infrastructure, and really just about anything in the system. The crew, made up of 4 people, is really talented. Our days are never consistent, so we have to be talented and knowledgeable in a wide area of topics. At the end of the day, delivering high quality water to our customers is our top priority, and keeping our distribution system in tip-top shape by continuing to invest in maintaining the infrastructure we have is a critical piece in making that happen, and that's our top priority. Here at North Park Water, we have over 1,600 hydrants in the district, and we have over about 200 miles of pipe ranging from 2-inch to 18-inch. And that is PVC, ductile iron, or AC transite, old concrete pipe. We maintain all that pipe from main breaks to water service breaks to hydrants to valve replacements to dead end flushers. So our goal is just to keep the best high quality water and keep the system flowing without minimum shutdowns and water loss to customers for a short period of time.